I got to tell you, we have an air quality alert, Jason, and in the text they specify to limit the driving as much as you can. Well, that may be wishful thinking in Dallas-Fort Worth. Do the best you can, but it is a Monday, so I expect many of us will be in our vehicles. However, for sensitive groups, it's something to be mindful of, certainly out there. Air quality alert, that has been extended through tomorrow now, I believe. All right, relative humidity values in the 20 to 30% range. This is a big improvement, but of course, as we saw earlier in Tarrant County, something to be watchful of is that potential for maybe some quick grass fires. So be careful out there if you are dealing with that. 30% relative humidity in Collin County, that looks good. 20% values, even teen values there. Graham, 17%. So it feels better, but not great still. Temperatures still at about 100 degrees. All right, current heat indices still have some that are slightly drier. Wichita Falls, Archer City, Mineral Wells. Remember, drier air is easier to move up and down. So I'm not surprised with slightly drier air that we're still hitting triple digits just a couple days after that cold front. And that cold front wasn't that bad. It's just that we recovered very quickly. And Texas weather, it is August. This is what we expect. So 78 degrees tonight, warm, humid, light wind, mostly clear. Some weather terminology, or some may attribute the term fair to this, which for 15 years of this career, I've never totally understood. I think that's a really subjective one. Let's say fair. To me, fair is a little bit less than good, but it's like better than bad. But fair is supposed to be ideal. So let's say fair for this one. Not great, but it's okay. 78 fair, whatever you think. All right, rain coverage late week. It is going to be a change for us. This is positive news. I do not want to scare this away. Favoring our northeastern counties. So there's two possibilities here. As high pressure kind of slides off, okay, we might get residual storm systems coming through the southern plains if they can hold on through Oklahoma. This is something we see just about every year. If these storm complexes can survive down towards the Red River and south of, but also late week, each afternoon, we could get some sea breeze influenced showers and storms. Now, they may not make it all the way up in Collin County, but certainly our southeastern counties, maybe even Johnson and Ellis, in play. Now, this is Friday. This is the European model. Don't take this exactly to heart. It has a remnant storm system making its way in from the plains. But what I want you to see is as that high pressure either breaks down or slides off, it allows a weakness to form, and that could allow some of this activity to build in. Here's Saturday, okay? That looks more proliferate than this will be, but it brings back chances that we haven't had in a little while, and so we've kept a chance in there, okay, at the end of the week. Boy, do we hope that could happen. So I have 101, 100, 101, 98, but isolated chances Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Fingers crossed at least one of those days we see some scattered hit and miss downpours or a storm or two, because boy, do we need it. Look at that extended forecast. One little glimmer of relief late next week. We'll keep a close eye on that.